Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in downtown beautiful Orlando. Dr. Phillips area. We're starting a project today that's a large project. I'm kind of excited about this one. Just want to kind of show you guys the beginning process. We got a lot of work to do, a lot of shingle, a lot of TPO. This is our church. As you can see, we've roof loaded shingles. We're going to end up replacing all that. I'll walk around the side here and show you a little bit more. You can see our shingle truck is still out here making more delivery. It's looking like a really good job. Up here on the second level of the roof, as you can see, coming along well. The guys have gotten a lot done. Minimal mess. This flat section here we're going to be replacing with TPO, the gymnasium, the octagon. So this job is starting to take shape. Standing actually over the chapel. Great view from here. As you can see, we've already removed the back side of the south wing of the church. They'll be doing the front tomorrow, doing it in sections, of course. Nice view from up here. Anyway, you guys, have a great day. Be kind to each other.